Good morning, students. Today, first I will discuss about the questions that is based on your previous video. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Disk defragmenter is a Windows utility that consolidates fragmented files and folders on your computer's hard disk. A virus is capable of transmitting itself across networks bypassing security systems. Antivirus software is also known as anti-malware software. Temporary files are created on your computer system when you scan for virus. False. Next, disk cleanup tools identifies the files that you can safely delete will be true. Computer viruses are natural living things. False. Full scan looks everywhere for possible problems if you think your system is infected. True. Why should disk defragmentation be done regularly? Defragmentation is like cleaning house for your server or PC. It picks up all of the pieces of data that are spread across your hard drive and puts them back together again. Why is defragmentation important? Because every computer suffers from the constant growth of fragmentation. And if you don't clean house, your server or PC suffers. Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you chapter removing temporary files. Before we start this chapter, first I will tell you what is temporary file, how it is created. Temporary files are created on your computer system for numerous reasons, including when you browse the internet, install programs, and the operating system itself. When you delete temporary files from your computer, it can help your computer system run smoothly as well as improve its performance. So how it is created? When suppose you are using internet or browse any websites or install any programs by operating system itself. Now I am going to show you how will you delete temporary files using computer icon. This is your my computer icon. First what will you do? Double click on this icon. Now what will you do? There are different options, but what will you do? Which drive you will select for using this option? Have to go to or click on C drive. Okay, you can see here there are different folder and files. Right click on C drive and go to property option. Here you can see disk cleanup option. You will click it on this option Okay, will show dialog box disk cleanup for Windows. Already selected which means part you want to clean. So you want to clean temporary files from the internet which has already downloaded. What will you do? Click OK, delete file. File has been deleted. Then what will you do? You have to click it on OK. Then another option, using this option you can also delete temporary files. What will you do? You have to press Windows plus R option, Windows logo key plus R. Okay. Now here you can see search option. Okay. What will you do? You have to type percent temp, again percent, then click OK. Here you can see different types of temporary files. Then what will you do? Several files means several temporary files. What will you do? You now see it again. There are different or several temporary files. You will press Ctrl plus A for selecting all these files. Then you have to press delete key. Okay, when you will press delete key, you can see here all files have been deleted. I think there might be some problem. Okay, so most of the files have been deleted. Now next topic is removing spam from email account. Here you can see this is Gmail. There are different options: compose, inbox, start, snooze, send, draft, important, less, chats, schedule. This is your spam option. Using this option you can delete spams, but there is no spam, so you won't be able to see the spam files or folders. Okay, but using this option you can delete spam files or folders. Next is adding a filter to stop spam. How will you add filter? What will you do? You have to write here in this part, you have to write here create filter. Create filter. When you will write, you will see the option for creating filter. Because internet is very slow, that is why it is taking too much time. Homework for today is there are three fill in the blanks. Question number 4 is, you can delete temp files means temporary files in 5 ways. True or false? Question number 5. Control plus A to select all the files in the folder. True or false? Next question means last question is, what is an email spam? Thank you.